Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, August 29th of 2019. So for our morning announcements today, for our lunch choices, we have spaghetti with meatball and Cheez-Its, turkey and cheese sandwich, or grilled cheese. So for our gratitude for today, I'm going to ask you to think of something that made you smile. So think of something that made you smile today and share that with a neighbor. So share that with an elbow partner, share that with your teacher, or you can even share it with me if you like. So what is something that made you smile today? And it could be from this morning, or it could be even from yesterday, something that makes you happy. So that's today's gratitude for today. For our Paws samples today, we have 4th grade students here from Mrs. Williams' class, and they're going to focus on things about art. Alright, boys and girls, for our Paws today, we were talking about things about how you should do things within art class, since art days are Thursdays and Friday. So we will start out with some things that you can do within art class.
Use the tools correctly. Respect my seat. Don't throw art supplies. Cooperate with them and art.
Thank you guys, that was very good. Thank you very much, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. Please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Alright, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate all your help today with the Paws and also the pledge. So let's make sure they're having a positive day today. So I really am asking you all to kind of have a very good day. Make sure you're sharing with somebody today about something that made you smile, and make sure you stay positive today. Have a wonderful day.